Nurses and supporters held a honk and wave protest today along Shelburne Road in South Burlington, highlighting contract negotiations and proposed service changes at UVM Health Network facilities. The UVM hospice team was out with signs urging better pay, improved staffing, and retention of local nurses. They say the protest opposes proposed service cuts and emphasizes the value of keeping experienced caregivers in Vermont. This honk and wave comes as the union continues negotiating its first contract.
We want the community to know the value of the work we do, and we want to see the Health Network respect that. And one of the things that they can do is helping bring us together
so that we can recruit and retain the specialized staff that are required for end-of-life care. And this is a union that is represented by the interdisciplinary team. So we have nurses, LNAs, social workers, chaplains, volunteer coordinators, bereavement coordinators, kitchen staff, administrative staff, and we're all here together because together we serve.
In a statement, a hospital spokesperson tells us they're committed to providing high-quality hospice care. They say they value their hospice and understand that negotiating a contract will take time. The statement going on to say the hospital will be working with the union's bargaining team to reach a fair contract.